Hello, ninjas. Let's get ready for another circle time, and we'll start by singing our hello song. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you this afternoon? I'm fine and I hope you are too. I'm fine and I hope you are too. I'm fine and I hope you are too. I hope you are too this afternoon. Look at me and wave hello. Look at me and wave hello. Look at me and wave hello. Wave hello this afternoon. It's good to see all of you today. Let's take a look at our calendar. Do you remember what month it is? We should know by now that it is April. Awesome job, you got it. And count with me and we'll see which number comes next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, you got it. 7 would be our next number. So again, here's the tricky part. Let's do our pattern and see what the number 7 is going to be, a raindrop or an umbrella. Here we go. Raindrop, raindrop, umbrella, umbrella, raindrop, raindrop. Yes, you are right. I heard you say umbrella. So the number 7 is an umbrella, and that continues our pattern. Now let's take a look outside to see what the weather is today. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Is it rainy? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy out today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Is it snowy? Is it windy? Is it stormy out today? Now, if I look out my window today, I see Mr. Sun again. So good to see the sunshine out there. And it is supposed to be a little bit hot today. Would you read the weather sentence with me? The weather today is sunny. Good job reading that sentence. So we have an activity today about letters. All right. Now I've chosen some letters that start the first name of some of our friends. So some of our friends' names start with this letter. Yes, an A. We have a friend in our class whose name starts with this letter. L. And a few friends whose names start with this letter. R. Awesome job. Okay, so they're all mixed up over here, and we're going to take a look and try to figure out where each letter would go. So what is it and which letter does it match? So I'm going to give you a second to take a look and see if you can find all of the letter A's. The letter A, it looks like this. So do you see any letters that look like that? Yes, you're right. This is a letter A. So I'm going to put this A over here. All right. Let's keep looking. Oh, I do see a red letter A over there. Okay. All right. Any more letter A's? Yep, you're right. There's a big purple one right here. So I'm going to put this over here. And let's keep looking. Any more A's? You know what? Let's move on to the next letter. This letter is, you're right, L. So again, just take a look over here and see if we can find any letter L's. Yes, there is a purple one right here. The letter L. Any more? And a little blue one, you're right. Here we go. Any more? more letter L's? Yes, this one is kind of a big one. That goes right there. All right, let's take a look at the letters that are left. They should all be this letter. R, you're right. So let me hold this one up. Is this an R? Yes, it is. We'll put it there. And let's take this one. Is this one an R? It is. Let's put it over here. And this one. Is this one an R? What? You're right. It's not an R. This is an L. This has to go in the L spot. Good job finding that. Let's look at this one. Is that an R? Yes, it is. And then one more left on the table. This yellow one. That is an R also. So good job separating the letters. We have A's and L's and R's. Now what we're going to do is we're going to count and see which letter has the most. Okay, so we're going to start with the letter A. And as we count them over here, we're going to make some tally marks. We're not going to count this one because that just shows me where to put them. Okay, so here we go. This is 1 letter A, 2 letter A's, 3. And we did that by making 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that one tells us that we have 3 letter A's. Let's move over to the letter L. And we'll count those and we'll do the same thing. Just make some tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 4 tally marks for that. And then we're going to move over to the letter R. And we'll make tally marks for those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's take a look. We have 1, 2, 3 letter A's, 1, 2, 3, 4 letter L's, and 1, 2, 3, 4 letter R's. So which do we have more of? The A's, the L's, or the R's? Oh, you're right. I was trying to trick you. The letter L and the letter R both have 4 letters. Okay, A has 3. Is 3 more or less than 4? 3 is less than 4. Awesome job, my friends. You did a good job finding your letters and doing some counting. Thanks for joining me for Circle Time today, and I'll see you tomorrow for some more. Bye-bye.